Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install Pinterest in your Windows laptop or PC, and this method works for both Windows 10 and 11. So first you are going to type here in the search bar, and then you are going to type Microsoft Store. And then you open this one. Then in the search bar you are going to type Pinterest. And here, as you can see, you will find it here. Click, and then you just wait. And as you can see, you will find it the first one, the first application, the official one, and it is completely free. You just click here, and then you will see the button Get. You just click here, and the download will start. And once it finishes, the application will be completely installed in your laptop. You can open it and use it as you want, of course. And once the installation is finished and you didn't see it here, you can just simply go to the search bar again, and this time you just type Pinterest. You will find it. You can either create a shortcut to will be here in your desktop, or you just can pin it to taskbar and you will find it here next to those applications in the taskbar. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.